Okay, so yeah, let's just stick with the Jiffy Lube analogy because it seems to be working. So for example, if they really need a new air filter, right? Or they need, let's just say they need a new fuel filter. As time goes on, oh no, I don't want that. Well, their car might break down. The fuel filter they might not realize they need one, and eventually they're going to get side effects that's going to affect the operation of the vehicle. Well, it's the same thing here. So we would like to have anything that's needed somehow.
I mean, you'll be showing them these things anyway, right? Like Jiffy Lube might have their 31-point inspection or something where it's with the checklist of basic things that they check for, and if there's something wrong, they tell you it's out of range and should be looked at, and they could do it